Okay, it appears that we have a bit of a conflict between immersive laundry and another mod. What happens is there's a mod, not sure which one, that adds a little shack to the left of the main door to the Riverwood Trader, and immersive laundry adds a laundry drying line in this exact same spot. There are two ways we could fix this. One, we could go into the creation kit and move the laundry piece outside somewhere else to where it does not conflict. Or the easier route, we can just disable that laundry line within the immersive laundry mod. So we're going to go the easier route and simply disable that laundry line within immersive laundry. We could also make a separate mod and disable the reference there, but in my opinion it's just easier to go ahead and do it within immersive laundry itself, as this will save us a plugin spot and be less to track later on. So we're going to open xEdit. Once xEdit's opened, we're just going to right click here in the module selection dialog and choose select none. Type in laundry and select laundry ESP and then let it load up. We could load the entire load order, but this is much faster. And since we're only changing a single reference within this one plugin, there's no need to load the whole thing. Now, since we're loading immersive laundry only, we're going to type the form ID in here. As we can see here, laundry ESP, the plugin, is in position 02. So the first two letters of our form ID are going to be 02. Then 004A57. If we would have loaded the whole load order in, these first two digits here, the 02, would change and be wherever laundry ESP is within our load order. So we're going to hit enter to bring up this record. Here we can see the record is a placed object, temporary placed object. And so now let's hide this. In the right pane, go to the records flag header, right click it and choose enter, then select the initially disabled. We could simply delete this record, but the problem with that is that creates an undeleted reference or a UDR within the mod, and that could cause issues if anything calls upon this record. So the easiest thing to do is to simply disable it. That way it won't show up in game, and also if anything happens to call upon this reference, it won't cause an issue. So once we've selected initially disabled, we click OK. As we can see, the record flag now shows it as initially disabled. Exit xEdit and let it save the plugin. And that's it, we're done. Now when we go in game, that laundry line will not show up, and we won't have a conflict between those two mods.